Hi guys, here we have a special instrument for aircraft because it is not a regular cockpit instrument, it is a test aircraft instrument. So it is part of the instrumentation they put in the new aircraft for the first flights when they test a whole bunch of parameters in order to make sure the frame will not split in half during the flight or something like so, in order to get certification to be able to fly with passengers later. So the first flights are loaded with electronics, and this is part of them for a test aircraft, probably for Airbus, not sure. So it is made by Jaeger company. You can see there is a special dial here with a loose glass in front. Maybe I am missing a seal or something like so behind the glass to keep it in place. So the backside is just a connector because the information is written on the top. So we will have a look at it right now and we'll open it. Okay, so before I open the instrument, we will have a look at the tags here. We have the manufacturer plate, Jaeger, Baudin, Levallois-Perret, France. It is written indicator for test flight. Model number 527070, serial number 228. We have other informations here. We have a date code here, but it is damaged sticker. And here on the side we have expiry date. Yes, this instrument has an expiry date, but sadly the part with information is gone, so we will not know what it is. Here it is very convenient. We have a pinout for the back connector. As you can see, we have two-phase power supply at 26 volt 400 Hz. We have ground and we have signal input 1 volt amplitude signal input. Interesting. So to take this apart, in fact, there are screws on the back, but it goes. I need to remove the front, and it is where we will see it is not a regular construction for a cockpit instrument. Because first, if I remember correctly, the glass is loose and there is no seal or anything, so it is for a short time of use, not a long time. Yes, we have this frame here and this little glass just stuck in this, and we have 4 more screws to undo. It's not position for taking finger parts on the bench. It's not the best. So what we will have in it? It should slide out. Yes, and here is what we have. It is interesting. As you can see, we have big standoffs making the structure of the instrument, big back plate here. We have mechanical structure here with a little motor, so either it is a synchro receiver or maybe even a stepper motor. It looks like we have 6 wires going to it. And we have gears, of course, and a little here in the middle, a little potentiometer for feedback. So it is a servo control indicator, in fact. And here in the middle we have this box, which is wrapped in some insulation and completely closed. So it looks like there is, excuse me, a connector here, so I should be able to open it. I did just rectify the focus. I'm not sure if I will be able to open it, but at least I will be able to disconnect it, I mean. Little holder piece here, one more here, and the thing comes out and unplugs. Quite nice. So what do we have in this? So I did zoom in a little better for you, but I guess it is the maximum I can do. We have this small box with a manufacturer plate here with a serial model and serial number, connector on the other end. It is in this wrapping material made of plastic, some heat shrink probably. I do not know if I will be able to reinstall it. It may be delicate. And we have what seems to be a brass cover with two little screws. So I guess the whole concept is to allow making modular instruments for the test purpose. It may probably to save some cost and have some flexibility in the design of the instruments, as they are probably for very limited production. I am in focus, so I did remove two screws, and yes, this cover lift out. It is brass, and we have in here a very nice little PCB with for all parts, of course. And at the other side, probably transformers. This one is wrapped in silicone. Film capacitors here. One electrolytic capacitor here. Nice precision resistors. This is an unusual part, guys. Look, it looks like we have some kind of ceramic capacitor with two legs sticking out, but the case is exactly like a surface mount capacitor. Other side of it, and at the back we have two little trim pots to adjust the thing. So I guess you can get a very modular design of instrument for each each purpose in the test setup. So it is quite nice. One last thing I did not mention, this dial here seems a very cheap dial. In fact, it is just a piece of aluminium stuck on the backing plate here, and it looks like it is silk screen printed. So this part is probably unique to this particular instrument with the scale. Well, it goes from 0 to 100%, but quite weird. Here is a little connector connecting to the electronic package, and it is all for this. So a really unusual and nice little instrument for test aircraft. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.